Ever woken up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? Snoring can really shake things up in a relationship. But what if there was an easy solution to this nighttime battle? Introducing snoring patches. These little wonders might be just what you need. They're hypoallergenic and super comfortable for your partner. And yes, they're dermatologist tested, so safety is a top concern. If peaceful nights are what you crave, visit the link in our description to get yours now. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to restful sleep together.